guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode I'm going to be unboxing my May Stitch Fix. Before we do though, I want to thank you guys so much because today when I'm filming this I hit 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. I've been saying for a long time I'm gonna do a giveaway at 500 subscribers, and you guys, it's already active and it was perfect timing because I hit 500 subscribers. So check out that video. It was posted not this last Tuesday but the Tuesday before, and it ends on May 22nd. So go check out that video. It has all the rules and the products. If you're interested in entering that giveaway, please do. And again, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. Anyways, I feel like I'm talking a million miles a minute. Why don't we go ahead and get started with my Stitch Fix unboxing. By the way, what do you think of my lipstick? This is Trapeze. It is a matte luxe lipstick from ColourPop and I love it. Ooh, okay. The first thing in the box is this super cute t-shirt. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love this t-shirt. So it has these polka dots all over it. It's got a cute little pocket. This is right up my alley. Oh my gosh, I love this. By the way, I am doing a try on in the end in case you'd like to see everything on me. So there is that for sure. So far, loving this. Okay, this is different for me, but I almost think I'm gonna like this. So here's the next thing. It is super vibrant, colorful. It's got this like royal blue to royal purple-y, and then there's like these little yellow and white little V, like when you are bad at drawing birds, kind of thing. And there's a little bow on the front. This is so cute. Also super duper up my alley. Other than the pattern, it's just a little loud for me, but I'm gonna try it because it's not too much. Like paisley is too much. That is pretty decent. Oh my gosh, an adorable jacket. Would you look at this jacket right now? So it's this like dark navy blue jacket, and it's just like a business casual jacket. I love this. I cannot wait to try that on. And last, except for not last because I have one more item after this, there are some pants in here. I can't tell if these are blue or black. It looks like they are like tummy flattener pants. What you trying to say, Stitch Fix stylist? But they look like pants you would want to wear to work. So, and I'm glad because I have asked them for stuff that I can wear to work, so I'm excited to try that on. And then the last thing in the box is this. And ooh, this is really pretty. It's this like double necklace thing. Oh, that's so cute. You're gonna see the prices of everything in the try-on, but let me just tell you the price of the necklace right now. So that necklace is $28. Oh my gosh, if I don't get anything in here but this, I'm gonna get this. What? Well, you guys, that's everything in my Stitch Fix. So why don't we go ahead, put this over here. Let's go ahead and try on all of these clothes. Why am I saying it's so weird? Let's go. You guys don't understand. I love literally everything out of this box. I love absolutely everything in this box, but can't afford to buy absolutely everything in this box. So I'm gonna have to make a choice. I'm thinking about maybe getting the pants because I do need some new pants, but I honestly love absolutely everything. The blazer is a little outrageous to me, at least for me. I could probably find a blue blazer somewhere that would look really good with that outfit I was wearing for cheaper than $98, and that's just the truth of it. Inspiring me to go out and look for things, which I never end up doing. It's like I'm paying $20 for someone to shop for me, but then I'm going out and looking for the deals. That's kind of how I approach this, but I might end up getting the pants because I like them, they're nice, and they probably will last a while. Well, you guys, that is it. There's my Stitch Fix video for May 2018. I can't believe it's almost June. Again, don't forget to enter my giveaway. It ends on May 22nd, so go check that video out for all of the rules. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe by hitting the tempt and red button right under my video, and I will see you later. And thumbs up for orange lipstick. I feel like I'm so hyper right now. What you trying to stay, Stitch Fix Styler? What you trying to stay? And I've already tangled it. How have I managed this? How? So I'm kind of gonna get in the pants because I do need some. I do need. Oh my gosh. I do need new.